Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class 12 subject account. And we have started our topic as accounting of share capital. In earlier videos, we have completed share issued at par, share issued at premium, and then we have seen the cause in errors, cause in advance. Today I am going with the one more topic related to simple entries. In that one thing has been added, it is known as cash book. So let's begin with the Adarsh Control Limited question, and I'll solve it for you, and then I'll show you what to write in the transaction of cash books. You know that in ledger, if you are going with the cash books, the cash related transaction has to be entered in the above ledger account. So let's begin with the topic. I have to repeat the question as we have last time done as a call in errors and call in advance. The Others Control Device Limited was registered with the authorized capital of 3 lakh rupees divided into 30,000 shares of rupees 10, which were offered to the public. Amount payable as 3 rupees per share on application, 4 rupees on share of allotment, and 3 rupees on final and first and final call. These shares were fully subscribed and all the amounts were duly received past journal entry and cash book. You can get this kind of questions where you have to write journal entries and then you have to prepare a certain account. So I am preparing one cash book over here. So what entry should be passed in cash book, it is very well known by you. So start with the topic then known as journal entries in the books of Others Control Device Limited. I'll calculate this all the terms, as you know that on application it has to be taken 3 rupees, on allotment 4 rupees, and on first and final call 3 rupees. So let's begin with the first entry. In first entry, you will be writing as money received to bank account debit to share application account. Here we are going with the being share application money is received at 3 rupees on 30,000 shares. This much can be written in the bin. What about amount? 3 3s are 9, means 90,000 rupees you are receiving on share application. Now we are going with the transfer of the particular share. Let's begin with the share transfer. Here share application account debit to share capital account. Here we are carry forwarding as being share application is transferred to share capital account. Amount will be same as what we are taking as a bank. Here 90,000 will be mentioned. Now we are going with the third entry. In that the amount of allotment will be due at 3 rupees, 4 rupees. So we will carry forward the contain as share allotment account debit to share capital account. In that you can write also being share allotment amount is due and transferred to share capital. As you know that this amount has to be received, that's why I have mentioned over here as an due and transfer to share capital. What about amount? It is 4 rupees as a share allotment. 4 3s are 12, means 1,20,000 rupees has to be taken from the shareholders. 1,20,000 has to be received. Now we are going with the entry number 4. In that, the amount you will be receiving. So what is the entry? Bank account debit to share allotment account. Here I am writing as being amount received for share allotment at rupees 4 on 30,000 shares. Bracket close. The amount will be 1,20,000. 1,20,000. This much as you have already done, it's in journal entry. The new thing is cash book or bank book. Now it has been mentioned that 3 rupees per share on first and final call. So I'll be again making due. So this time I am copying the content, but name will be little bit changed. Control C and Control V. Okay. Here now share first and final call account debit first and final call account debit to share capital. Here only a name will be changing and amount will be changed. B share first and final call amount is due and transfer to share capital. Amount will be 90,000 because here it has been accepted as 3 rupees. 3 rupees into 30,000 shares is equal to 90,000. Now we are into the sixth entry. The sixth entry will be amount received. So again I am copying the content from here, but entry will be different from this. Entry will be bank account debit to share first and final call. So your entry will be like this: share first and final call account debit. Your amount I will receive as 3 rupees on 30,000 shares. The amount will be 90,000. 90,000. This is the basic journal entry. Here now in question it has been mentioned that prepare cash book or bank record, we can say bank account, both can be entered in this account particularly. Here debit credit is compulsory. Whatever the bank related transactions is there, it has to be written in debit side. As you know that debit account is their bank account. So in debit side I'll write the first thing as 1. Let me take a space over here. So One is share application account. Here the amount will be 90,000. As you know that the entries will be remaining same. Now I am going with the second one, as it has been mentioned application 90,000 and then you have received share allotment money of rupees 1,20,000. So here also I'll go with that share allotment account. Amount will be 1,20,000. Same as we are going with the third one, where we have found as share first and final call. Your share first final call account will also be debited as the bank has taken the amount. So now as you know that in debit side always you have to put 2. So I am doing the same thing 2. There may be a spacing problem, but you have to understand that this is being done in your particular transactions. The amount will be here as 90,000. So you know that the all transactions are being entered whichever is related to your transactions. So here in the end I'll put the fourth point, as fourth point is buy balance carry forward. कैरी फॉरवर्ड जब आप करते हो तब याद रखना है कि टोटल अमाउंट आपको मिलना चाहिए. Here I'll put the total will be 1,80,000, 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh rupees will be your total. So your total balance will be 3 lakh rupees. Here I cannot show the particularly diagram, but you should know that this is an bold part. This is can be done as highlightedly bold. Not over here it has been mentioned, but I'll make it color as an for understanding purpose. A gray color would be enough that it will show that this is your balance amount. The total has been mentioned over here. I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, but it should not be written this way. Wherever the date is mentioned, you have to write date only. So hope so you have seen this journal entry. Just look out again, as the normal journal entries was been passed and then it has been asked for a cash book. I have put in only cash transactions in wherever the bank account has been mentioned. I have put it into cash book as all the details were been framed, and then on the credit side I have made it as a balance carry forward. Hope so you will be understanding this and it will be carry forward. If in paper this type of question has been asked, you will solve it very easily. Now we are going into the topic known as issue of shares at discount. So at discount, you should know certain points related to discount. Here I have given with the certain terms, just a reading purpose. While a company issues shares at the price less than its face value means company's fixed price. It is issued at share at discount. Section 39 impose restrictions on issuing of discount. According to this, share must be share must be of a class already issued. Ordinary resolution must be passed in the general meeting, which should specify maximum discount. The rate of discount should not more than 10%. The scrutiny of the company law board must be obtaining the shares must be issued within 2 months of the permission, At least 1 year should be passed since commencement of business to begin. Note: use the specified discount is given on allotment. यहाँ पर आपको ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ पे मैंने 5 पॉइंट आपको बोले, 5 पॉइंट में ऐसा बोला गया है कि शेयर्स ऑलरेडी मार्केट में इश्यू हो चुके हो और उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास का शेयर मार्केट में होना चाहिए। उसके बाद में सेकेंड पॉइंट आपको कहा है कि स्पेशली आपको एक जनरल मीटिंग रखनी पड़ेगी। उस मीटिंग के अंदर आपको एक रेजोल्यूशन पास करना पड़ेगा और वहाँ पे डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि मैक्सिमम डिस्काउंट क्या होना चाहिए। उसके बाद में रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट जो है वो मोर देन 10% से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। और रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस के बेस पर जब आप ऑर्डिनेंस पास करते हो तो ऑर्डिनेंस पास करने के बाद में शेयर को आप 2 महीने के अंदर इश्यू कर सकते हो। और ये इश्यू कब कर सकते हैं? जब आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का 1 साल कम से कम खत्म हो गया हो कमेंसमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस होने तक। Now we are going with a on allotment due as an entry, as because it has been mentioned that the discount normally has been given at the time of allotment. So entry will be a share allotment account debit, discount on issue of shares account debit to share capital. Here, once the transaction has been done with the allotment, the entry will be little bit changed, as you have to add one more word which is known as discount. As if you are going with a premium, premium will come into or credit side. But if you are giving discount, it is coming on the debit side. Then money received is having the same concept as bank account debit to share allotment. So I have completed one whole concept related to the transactions and effects. Just you have to take care of all these things. In next video, we will go with the four feature. Let it be. But we should be very much clear with the term. In next video, we will go with the four feature of shares, and then we will see about how four feature entries are impacted. But before doing with the transactions, we will do one more sum related to discount, and that discount will be as an your explanation for discount related transactions. We will do one more sum related to discount, and then we will see four feature, and then four feature we will start our advanced accounting in the terms of accounting of share capital. So that's it for today. Thank you.